Ooh, and the washing machine saga. Well, this time it's the dryer, okay? So I bought a new washer and dryer. Well, it's new to me. I ain't buying no new washer and dryer. That's stupid. I ain't spending no much money on a washer and dryer. Anyway, so I am standing outside Lowe's, like the toy shop for men or something. And so I got my new to me washer and dryer, and we put it in the house yesterday. I haven't washed clothes in a week, mind you. So we got it in the house yesterday, and the receptacle is the wrong one. My old dryer has 3 prongs, and the new dryer has 4. So we get to go to Lowe's. Catch up with you in a minute. Oh my God, this place is ridiculous. Why do you need this many kinds of look at this. Like this whole, why do you need to have that many kind of plug-ins? I don't know what in the heck I'm looking for. Can you see them? Like guys come in here and they're like, woo, it's like Victoria's Secret or something for men. It's crazy. Let me tell you, because this is what men don't do. You know what I'm gonna do? Instead of trying to look for that plug that I need for 45 minutes, I'm fixing to go ask somebody where in the hell it's at. Okay. I'm fixing to attempt to change out the plug for the dryer. I've never done this before. I'm not an electrician. Make sure the breaker's off. I got a washer and dryer in the middle of my utility room floor. Okay, we're good. We're good. Let's see if we can do this. I don't know what I'm doing. Get my handy dandy tool bag down. What do I need? Just a regular. That don't do any good. Hey, this ratcheting set. Thanks, Mom. Might have what I need in it. Just missing a couple. That's probably the ones I need.
Hey, Mama.
Hey, bud. Have you got your head stuck through there?
I can see you. I can see your phone. I could probably almost touch your phone.
All right, let me get back to work. Okay, so there's these screws that can be either Phillips or flathead. I don't know who invented that, but they're genius. Genius. Oh man, I'm gonna turn into a plumber, a washing machine repairman, and now I am testing my electrician skills. Let's read our idiot sheets here, because obviously I'm an idiot and I don't know what I'm doing. I have no idea what I'm doing here. Okay. Alright, so it goes like this, and then we flip it around. So the ground wire, which is this white one, I know that. You gotta be a genius to figure that out. I probably just need to take these out first. Alright, the ground goes on the top. All right, white is the ground, and it sticks, I guess it just sticks in this hole. I don't really know. I guess you just stick it in that hole and then screw this down. I probably should read and make sure I'm doing this right. I don't know if it tells you exactly how to do that. Estimated assembly time, 10 minutes. It's probably already been 15. Well, I was doing it right to begin with. I must not be so stupid. All right, we got that one. What goes on the next? Hot black wire. This makes my nerves bad. All right, and let's put the red one. In there. And screw it down. Alright. I did that backwards.
But I said you didn't do it wrong.
Okay, the ground, which is the bare wire, it goes up here at the top. The white one goes at the bottom. This one goes to the bottom. Ooh. Dang, that wire is pretty tough. Don't get your wires crossed. Good Lord, that would probably not be good. Alright. This one goes on the top. I just broke my fingernail. Dang. This is not like really easy to do. Alright guys, I think we got it all done right. I think the difficult part is getting all this crammed back in that box. Ugh. They weren't lying whenever they said you wouldn't have much room.
Who said that?
That piece of paper. Gah!
Maybe no room. Do that.
Oh gosh, it's got to go like
Damn.
way down. I still don't think that's far enough. Whew. I think we're good. I'm gonna try it. All right, This is the scary part. Let's turn the breaker back on. This could be good or bad. I don't know. Alright, it didn't explode. Maybe we're good. Okay, so Giora and I, we are going to put the washer and dryer back in place. And I have to hook up the vent thing that's obviously broken in half. And I hope I got enough slack to kind of hook it to the back of the dryer. Okay, I got this thing hooked up with the little strap around it tightened up. I plugged it in.
Got that done.
And now we're going to
Flip the breaker.
flip the breaker and hope it doesn't explode.
We all good.
I think we're good. Let's turn it on and see what it does. Let's try her out.
Let's see what she'll do.
We did it! We did it!